Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can run Facebook ads on WooCommerce, so let's get right into it. Now for this, we're going to be using the Facebook by Woo add-on, which is free to install. However, I will be using this documentation because I do not have a subscription for WooCommerce since it is too expensive for me to currently afford. Now what you're going to need to do first is install this app. You can just go ahead and go to plugins, add new, and click install now and then activate next to the app. And once that's done, you can click configure and follow the instructions outlined in here. Now here you can see the full documentation for this entire app. However, we will be focusing on how to create ads on Meta Technologies. You just need to go into marketing and then Facebook, and you'll be presented with the Facebook ad interface, of course, once you connect your account. Once you connect your account, you'll be able to choose a goal for your Facebook ad campaign, and after choosing the goal, you'll be asked a few questions about the audience, and you'll have the opportunity to upload more images which are relevant to your campaign, set a budget, audience duration, and see the estimated daily results. Once you're done, and once you add your preferred payment method, you can click the Promote Now button to activate the Facebook ad campaign. And that is pretty much it. Now, because I skipped over it, I'll just go back. I'll show you guys how you can connect the two accounts. And the way you do this is you log into Facebook if you're not already logged in, and then you need to create new or choose existing Facebook assets to connect, either the business manager, Facebook page, ad account, pixel, catalog, and two-factor authentication. You should have the ad account, and then you need to authorize the connection between the two. You just go to marketing Facebook connection and click manage connection, and once you're there, you just need to follow the steps which are outlined to actually connect your accounts. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.